Looking for the weirdest dance party in downtown Tucson? Then you'll love this silent walking tour. Tucson, Arizona, known for its epic sunsets, legendary tacos, and now apparently spontaneous public dance parties? Welcome to the most confusing thing you'll see on the streets today, a silent disco walking tour. It's like a history tour, but with way more awkward dancing. You wear these headphones, the guide pumps in music, and suddenly you're moonwalking past Tucson's historical landmarks like you own the place. Is this how the original settlers of Tucson partied? Probably not, but I'd like to think so. The best part, you're actually learning things. Like, did you know there's a turquoise line that goes all around the downtown that takes you to all of the important historical landmarks? Neither did I, but now I do. Pro tip, don't make eye contact with the people not wearing headphones. They think we're in some kind of flash mob experiment. And they just think we're playing nuts. But that's all right. And silent disco walking tours are proof that you can learn history and embarrass yourself at the same time. 10 out of 10 would awkwardly dance in public again. I hope no one really heard me belting out Shania Twain's "Man, I Feel Like a Woman." That's another thing to remember. When you're doing the silent disco, you're singing out loud, like to people in the streets. So yeah, keep that in mind. So I was just gonna say, I just had a great silent disco adventure through the city of Tucson here, and these are the people that brought us along. So tell us a little bit more about all the great stuff you do, how people find you, and what a quick inspiration. Go for it.
Yeah, we're Silent Adventures Arizona. You can find us dancing through the streets of Tucson. We do silent disco dance tours, so it's not a stationary silent disco. Where can you find us, Aria?
At Silent Adventures AZ on Instagram and TikTok, silentadventures.com. I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks a lot. And yeah, let's get all the rain.